Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. So your printer suddenly stopped working or flashing that annoying error 0xF1, right? Maybe it won't print. Or you think there's a paper jam and you've got no clue what's going on. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through a few super simple steps to fix it yourself. No technician needed, just grab a screwdriver. Let's get started and get your printer running again. Method 1. Restart printer. First, go to your printer's control panel. Now, just turn off your printer completely. Give it a few seconds and then turn it back on. This will reset the printer's mechanics back to their normal position. If the error is still showing, no worries. It might be a paper jam. Let's go ahead and check that in the next method. Method 2. Inspect for paper jam and clean shaft rollers. Alright, first of all, you need to turn off your printer again. Then, unplug the power cord from the back. Next, take out any paper that's sitting in the sheet's feeder. Close both the sheet feeder and the paper support. Now, lift the scanner unit. Once it's open, gently slide the print head from left to right just to make sure it's moving smoothly. Now, look for any bits of jam paper inside. You'll notice two small rollers on each side. Go ahead and roll them gently with your fingers to see if they move freely. If everything looks good, close the scanner unit again. Now, open the sheet feeder and paper support one more time. Take a quick look inside to make sure that there's no paper stuck in either. Alright, time to move on to the back of the printer where we are going to take out the waste ink pad tank. Grab a screwdriver and remove the screw that's holding in its place. Once that's done, carefully lift your printer a little so you can access the bottom. Now, with your screwdriver, take out the waste ink pad tank. Once it's out, remove the small spring in the middle. Next, gently take out the shaft roller using your screwdriver. With a slightly wet tissue, clean the roller to get rid of any dust or ink. Once done, let the roller dry completely before putting it back. Once it's dry, go ahead and reassemble all the parts. Then screw everything back in. At last, turn on your printer and go ahead and try a test print to make sure everything's working smoothly. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.